is. He just does everything he needs to be done. Like I said before, the sales are great, training-wise. Just recently, he paid for me to go to Arkansas, Little Rock, Arkansas, do a plumbing training. They have the best facility in the States, apparently. And we did a week there. He paid for my flight there and back, food, everything. And as well, he paid my wage while I was gone. So, you know, you can't ask that from any other boss. I believe he is the best boss.
I had one boss, he would buy booze every day, but he didn't pay very well. Kyle, really all around a good boss, pays well, and he's your buddy too, so it's a nice place to work.
He's pretty good. He's shown me the way, so it's good.